Yeah, yo, what's up, y'all? We back for another Power Play Palace, man. So let's get down to it real quick. Let's look at the chart from yesterday real quick. Said we was gonna look for some highs above 689.80. I forgot to change that on that chart. You see that 676? That was wrong. I forgot to change that. I have a template I use when I make these, so forgot to change that when I was editing the template. So we was gonna be looking for entry around 689.80 to 690. Stop below 689 with our target 690, 691, 692.50. If it goes low, we're looking for 689.40 to 689.70 entry. Stop above 690.30. Target 688, 687, 80, 687.10. So let's take a look at the chart and let me tell you, we opened up right here at about 690. 689.93 is the low of the day. That's where we opened up at. And then from there, we ran all the way up to 693 for a little brief pullback, some consolidation, slow burn. We got up to 694.13. And then we tried once, twice to break it around the end of the day. We did get a brief little pullback down here, and then we ended the day right here in the 692 71 where we closed at yesterday. And if you uh, if you look at the chart and then we look at the SPY, we open up around here 689.93 and we pushed up all the way to 694.13 before we pulled back, and then we ended up closing out at 692.71. So if you played the call side of the chart, if you followed and played the call side, then you did all right. You should have did all right. We reached all three targets, so we're gonna definitely be enjoying that. But it started real early in the day, so honestly, because like I said, I like to use the first 15, but it was unavoidable. So my trade actually didn't start, and this is why sometimes you can chase that first counter. I just choose not to. So I was only able to get a small part of that. So it wasn't a very big trade because I really try to stay disciplined to these first 15 because we watched it and shoot up some days and then that next candle will be right there and take it out. So I only got like a dollar move in here. But hey man, it is what it is. We taking all positives and we trying to move on. But y'all, that's high risk takers. You could jump in right there at the beginning, man, and got some of that if you wanted to. But I don't know. But you see what Spy did yesterday, so let's look at what we got going on for today. Put that chart up there. See what we got right there. See what we got here. Okay. So you see we was in the 694 range yesterday, but today I think we opening up a little bit above all that. So if SPY break and hold above the 695.08, which is the pre-market high right now, I'm looking for a breakout long. Entry be 695.15 to 695.45. With my stop going below 694.60 with my upside target 696.20, 697.50, 695. And that's continuation play. But you need, a little bit of confirmation. I'll be careful with that. Then if for bears, we're looking at if SPY pushing into the 694.90, 695.15, and stall gonna be watching for a rejection short with my stock going on above 695.80 My targets down being 694.20, 693.40, and 692.20. That's what we gonna shoot for. We're gonna try to be patient. We're gonna wait for that 5 to 15 minute candle close before we enter. Like I said, I try not to chase that first counter, man. Yesterday, man. If you did, you did a good job. If you did, but be careful with that. Be scaling in and out. Don't have no bias. Just let the market kind of tell you where you're going. Try not to be biased. And set your targets, man. 25, 30% at a time, and then get in and out. If you can make 20% on each trade, man, that's a great day. So don't underestimate that. I don't care what you trading with. If you making 20%, that is a great deal. So get in and out. Sometimes we chase that rabbit, man. Don't chase that rabbit. I had a big day a couple of days ago, but after that, back down to normal. Trying to get between $200 and $300 profit a day. Trading without no huge account, and we're gonna see what we do from here. And that's how we build up a little bit at a time. But don't rush it. Don't be in no hurry, man. Let it go. This is not financial advice. These are some ideas from a trader, you know. But over here at Power Plays, you can come in, we can talk about it. You can give your theories. We can go over what we're seeing. You can go over what you see if you want to just work and trade. It's nothing to join us, so come on in, Power Plays. It's a Discord. Come on over and just check us out and have fun, man. At least while we got it open. So come on in. But that's your trade plan for the day. Be careful. Don't rush it. Don't get in no hurry. Let it come to you, and then you'll get where you need to go. All right, y'all. That's Power Plays Palace, man, and we're going to be out of here.